Students, welcome to Sunrise Institute, Najafgarh. Myself KR Yadav. Today I teach you complex number of class 11th. Complex number, the number of the form of x plus iota y. Complex number x plus z equal to x plus iota y, where x is the real part and y be the imaginary part. Okay students, that is the complex number where x is the real part and y be the imaginary part. Z equal to x plus iota y. The model of that, the first iota square minus 1, iota cube minus iota, and iota 4 equal to 1. That is the complex form iota square minus 1 and iota cube, that is minus iota, and iota 4 equal to 1. Okay students, then conjugate of the complex number. The conjugate of the complex number, that is conjugate of z equal to x minus iota y. Okay student, that is the conjugate of the complex number, then x minus iota y. Okay students, then properties of the complex number. The properties of the complex number, first z into z conjugate equal to real part of z square, real part of z whole square plus imaginary parts of z whole square. Okay students, secondly, if z1 plus z2 conjugate z1 plus z2, that is z1, okay student, z1 plus z2. Number 3, z1 minus z2, that is z1 minus z2. Okay students, that is the property of conjugate. Okay students, next z1 z2. Next, property 4, zn equal to conjugate of zn. Okay student, this is the property of the conjugate. Okay students, then modulus of the complex number. Next, modulus of the complex number. Modulus of the complex number. Okay students, modulus of the complex number, that is mod z equal to real part of z square plus imaginary part of z square. Okay student, that is the modulus of the complex number. The properties of modulus, properties of the modulus the properties of the modulus z into, okay student, z1 z2 equal to modulus of the z1 z2, that is modulus of z1 modulus of z2, okay students, and z1 plus z2 modulus z1 plus z2 whole square equal to z1 square plus z2 square plus 2 real part of z1 z2, okay students. Next, z1 minus z2 whole square, this is the first property, second and third, this is the third property, okay students, this is the third property. z1 minus z2 का whole square equal to z1 minus z1 का स्क्वायर प्लस z2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 रियल ऑफ z1 z2 बार, okay students, this is the property of modulus of z. multiple inverse that is z inverse equal to conjugate of z upon में modul of z का square, okay students, that is the multiple inverse z inverse equal to conjugate of z upon में modul of z square, okay students. Then multiple inverse a square number, square roots, second square roots, okay students, square roots, the square roots of the complex number that is x plus iota y equal to square roots of a plus iota b, okay students. When we find out the square roots of complex number, then use this formula, okay students. Next, where a and b are the real, of the complex number, real part of the complex number, okay students. Next, polar form r cos theta plus I sin theta, that is the polar form, r cos theta plus I sin theta, that is the polar form where r equal to modul of z, and we have to write the short form of the polar form, that is r e I theta, where e I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta, okay students, that is where e I theta equal to cos theta plus का I sin theta, that is polar form, okay students. r equal to mod z, okay students. Then find this is the polar form, okay students, where theta equal to argument of z. That is the arguments of z, where theta equal to arguments of z. Okay students, now I repeat again, polar form r cos theta plus I sin theta, where r equal to mod z, and we write down the short form r e k I theta, where e k I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay students, then where theta equal to arguments of z. Okay students, next we find the theta for the formula of okay students, then we find the theta tan alpha equal to imaginary part of z upon real part of z. Okay students, we find the theta from this formula according this plus minus plus minus minus plus minus. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant. Okay students, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. Okay students, where x is the real part, this is the real part. First coordinate this, that is the real part. Second, that is the imaginary part. Okay students, then tan alpha equal to imaginary parts of z upon real part of z to find the theta. Okay students, then De Mor's theorem. Next, De Mor's theorem, where theta equal to if first quadrant, then theta equal to in first quadrant, then theta equal to alpha. Okay students, in second quadrant theta equal to pi minus alpha. Okay students, and in third quadrant theta equal to minus pi minus alpha. Okay students, pi minus alpha. And fourth quadrant theta equal to minus alpha. Okay students, then to find the theta for use this formula. Okay students, that is the useful tan alpha equal to imaginary part of z, real part of z. Okay students, now De Mor's theorem. In this chapter, De Mor's theorem also we discuss about the De Mor's theorem. De Mor's theorem. Okay student, De Mor's theorem. Cos theta plus I sin theta की raised to power n equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay student, that is the De Mor's theorem. If we have cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2 into cos theta 3 plus I sin theta 3, then we have cos theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. Okay student, that is the De Mor's theorem. That is the De Mor's theorem. Now take some example basis of complex form. Write in the complex form. First, take some example. First example, iota 9 plus iota 19. Iota 9 plus iota 19, that is iota 9 iota 4 square into iota plus iota 4 into 4 iota cube. So students, 1 square iota plus 1 raised to power 4 iota cube, then iota plus iota square into iota. Okay students, I minus iota, that is 0. Okay students, then in the form of complex a plus iota b, that is 0 plus ka 0 iota. Okay students, this is the example of iota 9 and iota 19. Okay students, next question, again question number second. 1 minus, write in the form of the complex 1 minus iota raised to power 4, then we have 1 minus iota square raised to power 2, that is 1 plus iota square minus 2 iota ka whole square. Okay students, then 1 minus 1 minus 2 iota whole square, then we have 4 iota square. Okay students, minus 4. Therefore the complex form minus 4 plus 0 iota, that is your answer. Okay students, next take some example more. 1 plus iota whole square, question number 3. 1 plus iota whole square upon 3 minus iota, then 1 plus iota square plus 2 iota upon 3 minus iota, that is 1 minus 1 plus 2 iota upon में 3 minus iota. Okay students, then we have 2 iota upon में 3 minus iota into 3 plus iota, 3 plus iota. Rationalizing, if we have the imaginary parts in the denominator, then use the rationalizing. Okay students, rationalizing, then we have 6 iota minus plus 2 iota square upon में 9 minus iota square. Okay students, then we have 6 iota minus 2 upon 9 plus 1, that is 2 into 3 iota minus 1 upon 10. Okay students, 2 5 are 10. Then we have 3 iota minus 1 upon 5. Okay students, then minus 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5 iota. Okay students, this is the form of the complex a plus iota b. Okay students, take some more examples. Take some more examples. Take some more example based on multiple inverse. Okay students, multiple inverse. Multiple inverse, z equal to multiple inverse. Z inverse equal to conjugate of z upon में modulo of z square. Okay student, that is the multiple inverse. Okay students, take some example multiple inverse where z equal to, question first, z equal to 4 minus 3 iota, 4 minus 3 iota. Okay students, then conjugate of z 4 plus 3 iota. Okay students, and modular of z 4 square plus 3 whole square, that is 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9. Okay students, then we have 25. Then multiple inverse equal to conjugate of z upon modulo of z whole square, that is 4 plus 3 iota upon में 25. Okay students, 4 upon 25 plus 3 iota upon 25. That is the multiple inverse of z equal to 4 minus 3 iota. Okay students, that is the multiple inverse. Take some more example. Example second. Example second. Z equal to root 5 plus 3 iota. Okay students, the multiple inverse will be, first we write the formula of multiple inverse. Then multiple inverse Z inverse equal to conjugate of z upon modulo of z square. Okay students, mod z square. Then first we find conjugate of z, that is root 5 plus 3i, that is root 5 minus 3i. Okay students, and secondly modulo of z, then root 5 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, that is 5 plus 9 root 14. Okay student, that is the modulo of z. Next, multiple inverse equal to root 5 conjugate of z upon modulo of z square, that is root 5 minus 3i upon में root 14 whole square, that is root 5 upon 14 minus 3 upon 14 iota. Okay students, that is your answer. To find the multiple inverse, take some example this. Okay students, next find the modulus and arguments. Find the modulus and arguments. Take some example. Example first. Example, find the modulus and argument. Take some example. Example first, to find the modulus and argument. Okay students, argument. Take some example. Example first. Take some example. Example first, root 3 plus iota. Z equal to root 3 plus iota. Okay students, Z plus root 3 plus iota. Okay students, then find the modulus. Modulus means mod of z equal to root 3 whole square plus 1 whole square, that is 4 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 2. Okay students, that is the modulus of z. Then arguments of these lies in the first quadrant. Okay students, we have already teach you that plus imaginary parts and real part will be positive. So students, this lies in first quadrant, and first quadrant theta equal to alpha. Okay student, then first we find the alpha, then tan alpha equal to that is tan alpha equal to imaginary part of z and real part of z. Okay students, that is the imaginary parts of z and real part of z. Therefore imaginary parts, that is the 1 upon real part, that is root 3. Okay students, that is 1 by root 3. Then alpha equal to pi by 6, because lies in angle 60 degree, tan 60 root 3 tan 30 1 by root 3. Okay students, then alpha equal to pi by 6, both are positive, then lies in first quadrant, then theta equal to alpha. So student, theta equal to pi by 6, that is the arguments. Therefore argument of z equal to pi by 6. Okay student, that is the to find the arguments and modulus. Take some example more. Question number 2. Question number 2, that is iota. That is iota, z equal to iota. Okay students, first we write the complex form z equal to 0 plus iota. Okay students, then modulus of z equal to 0 plus 1 का square, that is 1. Okay students, that is the model of z. To find the model of z, that is 0 whole square plus 1 का square, that is 1. Okay students, next tan alpha equal to, that is use this formula, imaginary part of z upon the real part of z. Okay students, then imaginary parts of z, that is 1 upon 0, that is imaginary part 1, real part 0, infinity, that means pi by 2, alpha equal to pi by 2. Okay students, that is pi by 2, tan alpha equal to pi by 2. Okay students, that is the tan alpha equal to pi by 2, tan alpha. Okay students, alpha equal to pi by 2. So students, 1 upon 0, that is infinity, we write down also infinity. Okay students, then alpha equal to pi by 2, not defined. Okay students, then both are positive first quadrant, then theta equal to pi by 2. Okay students, that is your answer. Therefore argument of z equal to pi by 2, that is your answer. Take more some example to find the arguments and modulus of z. Question number 3, minus 1 minus z equal to minus 1 minus iota root 3. Okay students, that is z equal to minus 1, that is minus 1 minus iota root 3. Okay students, then to find the modulus of z and arguments of z, then z equal to modulus of z, answer modulus of z equal to minus 1 square plus minus root 3 का square, that is 1 plus 3 2. Okay student, that is the model of z and arguments. Then tan alpha equal to imaginary part of z and real part of z, that is imaginary minus root 3 and minus 1, that is root 3. Okay students, then tan alpha equal to tan pi by 3. Okay students, then alpha equal to pi by 3. Okay students, we have alpha equal to pi by 3, but we see that these lies in quadrant third. Okay students, then theta equal to minus pi minus alpha. Okay students, we see this formula, theta equal to minus third quadrant, theta equal to minus pi by 3. Then theta equal to minus pi by 3. Okay student, then minus cut 2 pi by 3. That is the arguments of z. That means this. Therefore, arguments of z equal to minus 2 pi by 3. Okay students, take more some example to find the modulus and arguments. First, next example, Next example, 1 plus 2 iota 1 minus 3 I. Z equal to 1 plus 2 I upon में 1 minus 3 I. Okay students, first if we have the imaginary part, if we have the imaginary 1 minus 3 in the denominator, then rationalizing, first we rationalizing this. Okay students, first we rationalizing of this. Okay students, then z equal to, then answer z equal to 1 plus 2i upon 1 minus 3i into 1 plus 3i upon 1 plus 3i. Okay students, then we have 1 plus 3i plus 2 plus 2i plus 6 iota square upon में 1 plus 9. Okay student, because iota square that is minus 1. Okay students, then we have 1 plus 5 iota minus 6 upon 10. Then minus 5 plus 5 iota upon 10. Then 5 into minus 1 plus I upon 10. 5 to the 10. Then we have 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus iota by 2. Okay students, then modulo of z equal to minus 1 square plus 1 by 2 square equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4 1 by 2. That is your answer. Okay student, this is the modulo of z, and we find also arguments of z. Then arguments of z, first we find tan alpha equal to equal to imaginary parts of z upon में real part of z, that is 1 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2, that is 1. Okay students, then tan alpha equal to tan pi by 4, then alpha equal to pi by 4. Okay students, then tan pi by 4, then tan alpha equal to tan pi by 4, then alpha equal to pi by 4. Okay students, therefore alpha equal to pi by 4, then theta equal to lies in, first we see that this lies in which quadrant, then first all positive, minus plus minus plus minus minus and plus minus. Okay students, so these lies in second quadrant. At second quadrant, theta equal to pi minus alpha. Okay students, then theta equal to pi minus alpha pi by 4. Okay students, then 4 pi minus pi upon 4, 3 pi by 4. That is your answer. Okay students, that is the to find of modulus and arguments, these examples based on modulus and arguments. Next, to find the polar form. To find the polar form, take some example to polar form. Okay, students. Then polar form, take some example based on polar form. Okay, students. Polar form. First, we write the polar form. Polar form, that is cos theta r cos theta plus I sin theta. That is the polar form. Where r equal to modulus of z and theta, we find the arguments of z. Okay, student. Then take some example to polar form. First, we take the one z equal to, question number first, z equal to 1 minus I. Okay, student. First we find r. Okay, student. First we find r. Then r equal to modulus of z. Therefore 1 square of 1 plus minus 1 का square, that is 1 plus 1 root 2. Okay, student. That is the modulo of z, that is r. Okay, students. R equal to root 2. R equal to root 2. Okay, students. Then to find the theta, then tan alpha equal to imaginary part of z and real part of z. Real part of z, that is minus 1 upon 1. Okay, students. Then tan alpha equal to tan pi by 4. Okay, students. Then alpha equal to pi by 4. Okay, student. First we see that which lies is the quadrant. Then we have use this formula, plus minus plus minus. Okay, student. Theta equal to alpha and theta equal to pi minus alpha and theta equal to minus pi minus alpha and theta equal to minus alpha. Okay, students. This lies is quadrant fourth. Okay, students. Then theta equal to minus alpha. Then therefore theta equal to minus pi by 4. Okay, student. Therefore polar form r cos theta plus I sin theta. Then we have root 2 cos minus pi by 4 plus I sin minus pi by 4. That is your answer. Okay, students. That is your answer. Take some example to base on polar form. Question second, z equal to root 3 plus I. Okay, students. Then first we find r. Okay, students. R. Then r equal to modulo of z. Therefore root 3 square plus 1 का square, that is 3 plus 1 2. Okay, students. We find r. And next to find tan alpha equal to imaginary part of z upon the real part of z. Okay, students. Then 1 upon root 3, that is 1 by root 3. Okay, students. 1 upon root 3, that is 1 by root 3. Then tan alpha equal to tan pi by 6. First we find that, see that these lining first quadrant. This lies in first quadrant. Plus plus, imaginary and real part both are positive. That is lies in first quadrant. Then tan alpha equal to 10. Therefore theta equal to alpha, that is 5/6. Then therefore polar form r cos theta, r where r 2 cos theta pi/6 plus I sin pi/6. Okay students, that is your answer. This is the polar form. Next, take more examples to find the polar equation. That is question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. 1 plus 7i z equal to 1 plus 7i upon 2 minus iota whole square. Okay students, then z equal to 1 plus 7i upon 4 plus iota square minus 4 iota. Okay students, 1 plus 7i upon 4 minus 1 minus 4 iota. Then we have 1 plus 7i upon में 3 minus 4 iota. First we rationalizing of this 3 minus 4 iota. Then we have 1 plus 7i upon में 3 minus 4i into 3 plus 4i upon में 3 plus 4i. Okay students, then we have 3 plus 4i plus 21i minus 20 plus 28 iota square upon 9 minus 16 iota square. Okay students, squaring a minus b, a plus b. Okay students, then a square minus b square. Then we have 3 plus 25i minus 28 upon 9 plus 16, because iota square equal to minus 1. Okay students, then we have 3 minus 28, 25 minus 25 plus 25i upon में 25. Then we have minus 1 plus I. Okay students, 25 will be cancelled. Then minus 1 plus I. Now we find r and cos theta. Okay, then we find r and cos theta, that is the arguments of theta. Then we have r modulus of z, that is minus 1 का square plus 1 का square, that is we have 1 plus 1 root 2. Okay students, and tan alpha equal to imaginary parts of z and real part of z. Then we have imaginary parts 1 upon minus 1, that is 1. Okay students, then tan alpha equal to 10 pi by 4, 1, that is pi by 4. Then alpha equal to pi by 4. But we see that these lies in which quadrant lies of this? This lies in quadrant first. Second lies in quadrant second. Okay students, then we find theta equal to pi minus alpha. Okay students, pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. Okay students, that is theta equal to 2 pi by 3. Then polar form r cos theta, r root 2 and cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. That is your answer. Okay student, that is the polar form. Based on polar form we have this. Next, take more examples based on complex numbers. Take more some examples based on complex number. First, question number first. Take more some example. Question number first. If x plus iota y, if x plus iota y, if x plus, if x plus iota y equal to, if x plus iota y equal to root a plus iota b, c plus iota d, then prove that, prove that x square plus y square whole square equal to a square plus b square upon में c square plus d square. Okay students, we have given x plus iota y equal to a plus iota b and c plus iota d, and prove that x square plus y square का whole square equal to a square plus b square c square plus d square. So students, first solution, x plus iota y equal to a plus iota b upon में c plus iota d. Taking conjugate both side, then we have x minus iota y equal to a minus iota b and c minus iota d. This is